Hi, and welcome to the video on like terms. By the end of this video, you should be able to add and subtract like terms and recognize what like terms are. So let's take a look. Now before I start, this is a revision video. If you want to look at more in-depth examples on how to do like terms, go back to the Year 7 videos on algebraic techniques. That should be able to help you out. But as a reminder, like terms are just terms that are a combination of both numbers and variables, or just numbers or just variables. For example, 3x, 4y squared, 5ab and minus 2 are all terms. We can only add and subtract these terms if they are what we call like terms, and that means they have exactly the same pronumeral. Let's take a look at an example of what I mean by that. Here we have 3x plus 4x. These are like terms. They're both x's, so we can add them together to get a simplified answer. If I have 3x's and I add 4 more x's, I get 7x. However, this here is 3x plus 4. Now, these are not like terms. One term is a 3x, and it's talking about x's, and the other one is just a constant, it's just a 4. So trying to add these together won't work, so we have to leave it as the question it is. This is because we call them unlike terms. I'm trying to add x's and numbers together, doesn't work out. Let's take a look at one where there is a combination and they're kind of mixed up and jumbled around. Here we have 5ab plus 3a plus 2ab minus a. It looks like they're like terms because they've all got a's in them, but they're not exactly the same a. Let's take a look at the ab's here. We have 5ab and 2ab. We can add those together. We can't add them with the 3a and the minus a because they're just a's without the b's. So if I add those two together, I get 7ab. Now I look at the other like terms. These are the 3a and the minus a. These I can put together. Now if I have 3a's and I take away an a, I'm left with 2a's. This is it for the video. I'd like you to pause and summarize so you have something in your notes for the next lesson, but a lot of the practice is going to come from your text. Hopefully now you have an idea about how to add and subtract like terms and what's expected of you. Good luck.